Today I am partnering with Adobe to show you all what my creative reset day looks like. If you're not new here, you've heard me mention plenty of times how easy it is to forget to give your mind the space it needs to continue to be fun and creative. At least it is for me, especially when you're constantly putting your creativity up against hard deadlines for client work. That freedom to do for myself is very necessary for my mental health. You know how it is. At my last agency, we implemented something called Inspiration Days, which were basically one day per month of your choosing where you were able to take that time. I love them, and so I recently introduced that into my life, and I am so happy it has finally become a part of my consistent routine. I schedule a little out of office email and basically continue on with my day doing all the things I've had an interest in recently but didn't have the time to do. I try to spend as much time as possible outdoors, thank goodness for springtime, but of course the weather and the fresh air always makes everything way better. I've consistently used this time to illustrate because that's something that I love to do but haven't been able to do much of. Sometimes I do overestimate a little bit how much I really want to do on these days because sometimes it is just about rest. But in this instance, I started a heavy project and decided it was way too much for me, so I went ahead and put that off to the side and focused on something that I look forward to every month. I try to do my creative resets at the top of every month because I love to mood board. Who doesn't? But I love to take a look into the next 30 days and see what I have going on. Once I am ready to rest, I like to wind down with a meditation or a video from Headspace. Adobe Creative Cloud is actually partnering with Headspace to offer 1 year of Headspace for free to all Creative Cloud members. I highly recommend you all check it out. It is super important to stay on top of your mental health no matter what. Check the link in the description and let me know in the comments what you all do in your routine to recharge.